Okay, so I just thought I'd make a really quick video about how to do 2-point perspective sketches. So let's just quickly draw a horizon line. Horizon line is the line at which someone's eye level would be at. So we can draw a person here to show that. On the horizon line, you want to show vanishing points. So in 2-point perspective, there's 2 vanishing points. There's one, and there's another one. We can show these at different angles to make things a little bit more interesting. Let's say there and there. Then we just pick our vertical lines. So here could be one, and there could be another one here. Then we take these points and we connect them to this vanishing point. Let's say that we take a vertical line down here. Let's say this has a pitched roof like this, yeah? And then we would take this point down to this vanishing point. Now let's show a door. So someone's standing there. Then a door is going to be a bit bigger than them. So it might be something like that. And this then goes back to the vanishing point like that. Let's say we want to show that there's a cutout somewhere here. So we can take this line, join it to this vanishing point, and we can draw a vertical line up here, and then we can take again always from the vanishing point out like that. Maybe there's like a post on this corner. Now you can see that we've taken that corner out. Just make that a little bit thicker so it's easier to read. Maybe there's a window in this corner. So if we draw 2 vertical lines and then we draw some lines down to meet this vanishing point like that. But we want to show that it's kind of like punctured, so it has a depth to it. So this point we would bring back to this vanishing point, and then we can show that it has a depth by bringing that point down, and then this point again would go to this vanishing point like that. And we could shade this in. This is some glass here, which is even darker. Maybe it's the same with this doorway. So this kind of has a thickness too. This is this kind of opening that's, maybe it's a bit recessed. And we could, let's say that we want to just kind of quickly show some idea about the surroundings. Maybe there's a landscape in the back. Maybe this is some sort of laneway. So all of these lines would go to this vanishing point. Maybe it's some sort of paved area. So all of these lines would be translated back like that. And you could kind of just start to see that you can build up ideas by using this 2-point perspective technique. Maybe this is like a street. So what would that look like? So we could take a line like, I'm just making this up, like that. We could take a line like that. We have a vertical line which starts here, and maybe another thing to remember when you're doing these sketches is that people will get smaller as they're moving into the background. So if I have someone who's more in the foreground, again the eye level will be on this line, but relative to this person they're going to appear a lot bigger, so they're going to be more like this. So this person appears bigger than these two, and as they move back they get smaller. So let's draw another person back here, even smaller and even smaller like that. Maybe there's another opening here, and we can start hatching things to make it a bit more interesting. Maybe there's kind of like some sort of arcade or a colonnade. And then on this side, maybe it's like some sort of shop front or something. So where you locate the horizon line kind of determines, the view. So for example, if I have the horizon line there, and here are my two vanishing points, and I start drawing something like this, and maybe almost like a view from above, vanishing point left, vanishing point right, you get a totally different view because the horizon line is above the object or the building that I'm trying to draw. And like if you have it, the horizon line and two vanishing points, and you want to show something above it, it's going to have the opposite effect. It's going to be so all lines go to the vanishing points. That's really the only thing you need to know when you're doing drawings like this. So you can kind of see what that looks like here. So I hope that was helpful. It's just a really quick video trying to show you how you can use this is a 2-point perspective sketching where you have your horizon line, two vanishing points, and all lines go to meet those vanishing points. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.